Hello! It's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Have you ever come home from work, opened the door, and suddenly heard mice running across the floor? Or walked into the storage room or bathroom and seen them hiding in the corners, making you feel uncomfortable? The most frustrating part is that even after trying many different methods, the mice still keep coming back and disrupting your living space. But today, I'm going to share a very simple, low-cost, and easy method using familiar household ingredients that can help reduce the presence of mice more effectively. The great thing is that this method is simple and anyone can try it at home right away. Stay until the end of the video because this tip might help you solve the problem quickly right at home. Let's get started. First, I need one ripe banana. I cut the banana in half lengthwise like this. Then, I use a spoon to scoop out the banana flesh and place it into a small bowl. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, I mash the banana thoroughly until it becomes soft and creamy. The riper the banana, the stronger the aroma, and the more attractive it is to mice. After mashing it well, the next ingredient we'll add is baking soda. Add about 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This ingredient is very easy to find, and many households already have it in the kitchen. Now we'll add sugar. You can use either white sugar or brown sugar. I'll use 1 tablespoon of white sugar to make the mixture more appealing. Next, we'll add ground pepper. About half a teaspoon of ground pepper is enough. The strong, spicy smell of pepper helps attract mice, but at the same time makes them uncomfortable after eating the mixture. Now mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you get a slightly thick, soft mixture with a strong ripe banana aroma. After the mixture is ready, you can place it in a plastic lid, a small tray, or simply put it back into the original banana peel. This mixture is very attractive to mice. And not just mice, cockroaches are also drawn to it because both mice and cockroaches will eat almost anything. Place this mixture in areas where mice usually pass by, where you have seen them before, where you suspect they often appear, or where you notice a lot of mouse or cockroach droppings. You can place the mixture in spots where mice commonly appear, such as kitchen corners, near drains, behind the refrigerator, in storage areas, or anywhere with signs of rodent activity. Mice are especially attracted to sweet smells and the scent of ripe fruit, particularly bananas. According to this method, when mice eat the mixture, the baking soda reacts inside their stomachs. It cannot be digested properly and may cause them to die without leaving a strong odor or visible traces behind. They will die quickly without the need for poison, and it costs almost nothing to make. Give it a try. I'm confident this recipe will work for you. What many people don't realize is that even a very clean house can still attract mice from outside, from drains, or from neighboring homes. That's why dealing with the problem early can help prevent it from becoming more serious. You can use orange peels or lemon peels to make a natural spray solution that is safe and easy to prepare at home. This method helps remove odors in the kitchen and creates a scent that cockroaches and mice dislike, helping reduce their presence. First, prepare fresh orange or lemon peels. It's best to use fresh peels because they contain more essential oils, giving a stronger scent and better effectiveness. Then, cut the peels into small pieces so the oils can be released more easily during boiling. Next, place all the peels into a pot. And add about 300 to 500 milliliters of water, just enough to cover the peels. If you want to make it more effective, you can add a few mint leaves or a little cinnamon peel while boiling. The scent will become stronger and the insect repelling effect may improve as well. Simmer gently for about 10 to 15 minutes so the natural essential oils from the peels infuse into the water. While boiling, you'll notice the strong aroma of orange or lemon spreading through the room. After boiling, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool naturally for about 30 to 60 minutes. If possible, keep the lid on during this time to preserve a stronger scent. Once the mixture has cooled, strain out the peels using a sieve and keep only the liquid. Then, pour the solution into a clean spray bottle for use. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. When using it, spray the solution in areas such as kitchen corners, under cabinets, behind the refrigerator, around trash bins, or in dark and damp places where cockroaches and mice often appear. During the first week, it's best to spray once or twice a day to maintain the scent. The main effect of this solution is to make cockroaches avoid areas with the smell and to create an unpleasant environment for mice, helping reduce their presence temporarily. However, if your home already has a large infestation of mice or cockroaches, you should also combine this method with proper cleaning and sealing gaps or entry points for better results. If you found this tip interesting and would like to try it, leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thank you for watching the video. I've also linked another video that many people are enjoying right now, and I'm sure you'll find it useful as well. Wishing you a wonderful day, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.